Unlock the full potential of Deepseek AI by seamlessly syncing it between your computer and mobile phone, transforming your workflow into a truly integrated experience. First, ensure you have the latest version of the Deepseek AI application installed on both your computer and your mobile device on your computer. Open the Deepseek AI application and navigate to the Settings or Preferences menu. Look for an option related to device sync or account connection. Click on this option to initiate the pairing process. Your computer will likely generate a unique code or a QR code for synchronization now. Pick up your mobile phone and open the Deepseek AI app. Within the mobile app, find the corresponding sync device or pairing option. You'll be prompted to either enter the code displayed on your computer or scan the QR code using your phone's camera. This establishes a secure connection. Once successfully paired, you'll see a confirmation message on both devices now. Any changes, data, or settings you adjust on your computer will instantly reflect on your phone, and vice versa. This allows you to start a task on your computer and effortlessly continue it on your phone or access your iPod insights anytime, anywhere. This unified approach ensures your Deepseek AI experience is always up to date and accessible, dramatically boosting your productivity and providing unparalleled convenience for all your AI-driven tasks. Enjoy a more connected and powerful AI journey.